Hello, my name is Eric and I'm the Human Swiss Army Knife, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the Icemaker and show you what's inside and what to expect. Also, as you can see, I'm in the manufacturing division of Summerset Grills where we make all our grills. So enjoy this and hope that I answer most of your questions about it. So let's get to unboxing. So normally there's straps around here and some people might open from the top. No, don't open from the top. Cut your straps and then it actually just lifts out like this. Now, I've never done this before with this particular product. I know about the product because it's awesome. As you can see, there is blue covering strip on this that you can remove, and when you remove this, it's to protect it when you ship it. We've got this unboxed, and what comes with this? Well, there is two things that we got to look for, and in here you've got hookups for water, you've got an ice scooper, and an instruction manual, and a drain hose. These are all important pieces that you're going to need. I love the size of this basket. It's really nice. And this particular model, it's got a really nice look to it. So let's get to seeing what we're going to do to show you how this works. Let me tell you a little bit about it before that. And this will make 50 pounds of ice a day. And will also store 25 pounds a day. And you don't really have any controls to worry about because it auto shuts off after it makes 25 pounds in the storage bin as a static 25 pounds. If you empty it, it'll make another 25 pounds. So you've got your power cord, you've got your water inlet, your little plastic cap that covers it, keeps the dust out. And so you're going to need this drain to drain somewhere, because when the water circulates in it, it's going to circulate, be recirculating through, and it discharges a few cups every hour or so of water. And you've got your Icemaker hookup. If you are doing this yourself, you may want some other fittings for it. And I even suggest an auto shut-off fitting for it. So if anything bursts or what have you, it's a burst shut-off. They have them on washers and other things like that, refrigerators. You can buy a refrigerator kit and that would probably do the same thing. So anyway, I also suggest maybe if you're just doing this on nylon, have your plumber or contractor install this for you. But standalone, it's really a nice unit and it's quiet. It's really quiet. So let's measure it, all right? So from edge to edge, we've got about 14 and a half, and that's just a little like a 16th over, so it's 14 and a half, just under 14 and a half. The side, including the door, is 23 and 5/8. And the top to bottom, now you've got feet in here, so you could actually take the feet and bring it up or bring it down to take in your space. So I'm going to go from the bottom of the foot as it ships to the top, and that's 33 inches. Now that's including this piece here. So this piece, which is your hinge piece. So I always go to the highest part, so make sure that whatever you got will fit in there. Okay, so 33 and an eighth, and then from the base to the actual unit itself is about 31 and 7/8. So that's pretty much all there is to this. See how easy it is to open it up and use. It's really a great ice maker and great for parties. Love it. And if you're wondering how this works, I can go over that really quickly for you. What it does is it tears water through here and it goes through an icing refrigerator area, which is this thing, which is a refrigerator piece. And these squares here have heaters in them. So what happens is the water tears through here and it just keeps recirculating until it gets icy enough to turn into an ice cube. When it turns into an ice cube, it has a sensor that senses that it's frozen, and then heaters come on and kick it out. And it just cuts them in perfect little pieces of ice. And that's pretty much it for this nice little unit. And if you have any questions, call or ask our customer service. They'll be glad to help you. Swiss Army knife, out.